Hello dear learners. Today we are going to discuss the MCQs from pharmaceutical chemistry from the topic structures and their heterocycles. Today we are on part 6 from the structures and their heterocycles. In part 6 we are going to cover few of the MCQs from structures. That means the two types of questions which can be asked in the exam, that the structure is known and the heterocycle is asked, or the heterocycle is known and you are supposed to identify the drug, vice versa. Okay, so this type of questions can be asked when it is confined to MCQ based examination. So to start with the first question from part 6, the question is endomethacin contains dash heterocycle. Whether endomethacin contains indole heterocycle, whether it contains benzopyrrole heterocycle, whether it contains both of them or none of them. The correct answer is it is both of them. Endomethacin contains indole heterocycle since the name indo. Okay, and as you all know, indole is also known as benzopyrrole, so it contains, so the answer is it is both of them, indole as well as benzopyrrole. If you will look into the structure, this is the structure of endomethacin. From endomethacin, if you will look into the highlighted part, that is the heterocycle which is present, it is nothing but it is fused heterocycle, which is the fusion of benzene and pyrrole. So it is known as benzopyrrole. As you can see the magnified image of the benzopyrrole over here. This is benzene and this is pyrrole. And this benzopyrrole is also known by the another name indole. So indomethacin contains indole heterocycle, which is nothing but benzopyrrole. Next question is dash amongst the given are phenol derivatives, whether PCMC, whether PCMX, whether para-aminophenol or all of them. The correct answer is it is all of them. It is PCMC, that is para-chlorometacresol. It is PCMX, that is para-chlorometazyleenol. It is para-aminophenol. Okay, so if you look into all the structures, this is para-aminophenol. At para position there is amino and hydroxy. Then PCMC is nothing but para-chloro, para position pe chloro, and at meta position there is CH3, which you can see. And when this CH3 benzene ring is there, it is toluene, and when the hydroxy comes into the picture, it becomes cresol. So it is para position pe chloro and the remaining is cresol. So it is PCMC. And PCMX, which is nothing but again para chloro. Meta position, if you will see, it contains methyl. So it is metazyleenol. When there is benzene ring, okay, hydroxy and 2CH3, it is xylene. Next question is name the antiseptic disinfectant containing toluene. Whether it is PCMC, whether it is PCMX, whether it is para-aminophenol or all of them, the correct answer is it is para-chlorometacresol. If you will look into the structure, this is para-chlorometa cresol. So if you will look into the internal structure, so this is toluene. When CH3 at meta position is attached on the benzene ring, it is toluene. Okay, when this CH3, okay, attached on the benzene ring, and when the para position hydroxy will come, it will become cresol from toluene. And since this complete part is toluene, this PCMC is the antiseptic disinfectant which contains toluene. Next question is Name the antiseptic disinfectant containing xylene. So whether it is PCMC, whether it is PCMX, whether it is para-aminophenol or all of them, the correct answer is it is PCMX. Name the antiseptic disinfectant containing xylene. The answer is PCMX. Why? Because if you look into the structure and their internal structures, see, you can see here this CH3 at para and meta position. This is at both the meta positions. This is at both the para positions. So this is orthoxylene, this is metaxylene, this is paraxylene. Okay. So when at meta positions there is 2CH3 and hydroxy is attached, it becomes xylenol, and when only 2CH3 on benzene ring are there, it is xylene. So it is PCMX. Next question is, name the nitroimidazole containing anti-amoebic. That means the anti-amoebic drug which belongs to nitroimidazole class, or that means it contains nitroimidazole. So if you split up the word nitroimidazole, nitro group is attached and the heterocycle is imidazole. So nitroimidazole containing anti-amoebic is whether it is DEC, diethyl carbamazine citrate, whether it is metronidazole, whether it is mebendazole or none of them. The correct answer is it is metronidazole. Metronidazole is nothing but from nitroimidazole class. How it is? If you look into the structure of metronidazole, this Me stands for methyl. Okay, metroni, it is nitro. Dazo means 2 nitrogen containing, and ole is 5 membered unsaturated. Okay, so this is metronidazole, which contains nitroimidazole. So if you will see, this is imidazole and this one is nitro. So nitroimidazole pe substituents are there. One is CH3 and one is ethyl alcohol. Okay. So this is metronidazole, which contains nitroimidazole. Next question is, which amongst the given are methylxanthines? Whether they are caffeine, whether they are theophylline, whether they are theobromine, or all of them. The correct answer is it is all of them. Methylxanthines are all caffeine, theophylline, theobromine, etc. So if you look into the structures of caffeine, theophylline, theobromine, you can see here these all are xanthine derivatives, ion wala xanthine derivative. Okay, where in this center ring you can see this is nothing but nucleus, okay, of methylxanthines. So why it is called as methylxanthines? Because if you will look into the structures, this depends on the number of methyls. If you look into the caffeine structure, all nitrogens, okay, this first, second, third, 3 nitrogens except this is occupied by CH3. Whereas in theophylline, again both the nitrogen, the first nitrogen wherein CH3 was there, hydrogen will come, and the second one, the third one, that is theobromine, here you can see one hydrogen. Okay, so this is the difference between the structures. So this is caffeine, theophylline, theobromine, which are nothing but xanthine derivative, and because of the differences in the methyl, they are methylxanthines. So all these caffeine, theophylline, theobromine are methylxanthines. Next question is, dash amongst the given is nicotinamide derivative, whether it is nicotinamide, coramine, both of them or none of them. The correct answer is it is both of them, because nicotinamide is also known as coramine. If you look into the structure, okay, nic etha amide, which is coramine, is, this is nicotinic acid, this is nicotinamide. Okay, so this is nicotinamide derivative. Next question is, butyrophenone derivative amongst the given is dash. Whether it is haloperidol, haldol, both of them or none of them. The correct answer is, it is haloperidol or haldol. Butyrophenone derivatives amongst the given is haloperidol. Since if you look into the structure, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 carbon. Okay, this butyrophenone class is haloperidol. Next question is, dash amongst the given are structural analogues of PABA, whether antimalarial, sulfonamides, carboxamides or steroids. The correct answer is, it is sulfonamides. Sulfonamides are the structural analogues of PABA. If you look into the structure, this is PABA, para-amino benzoic acid, sulfanilamide moiety. This is ring NH2 and this is SO2 NH2. Okay, SO2 NH2 के केस में if there is replacement of one hydrogen of this NH2, then it becomes actually it is sulfanilamide moiety, and when one hydrogen is replaced with some alkyl group, then the derivatives are being formed. With this, we finish with few of the MCQs from part 6 from the topic structures and their heterocycles. Stay tuned with us for the further part of the video. Thank you.